How to log in a character AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How to Use Basic. Today we're gonna learn how to log in character AI. For that you need to download app for the Play Store and App Store. I will take you through step by step process on how to log in character AI account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. As you can see, we can continue with Apple ID, Google and email. Today I'm going to show you continuing with Google. At first click on in continue with Google. After that choose your Google account. After choosing a Google account you will move to this interface. You have to enter your date of birth and confirm it and click to the join. And this is how easy to log in character AI. I hope this video been helpful. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more helpful content and tutorial videos. If you have any questions about anything, you can comment down in comment section and hit the bell icon. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this video till the end.